Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain you about numerical solution of ordinary differential equations. To find solution for ordinary differential equation, we are having 5 methods: RK method, Taylor series method, Euler's method, modified Euler's method, Picard's method. By using any one of these methods, we can find the solution, numerical solution for these ordinary differential equations. So in these methods, equations of the type dy by dx is equals to y dash is equals to f of x comma y with initial conditions y of x0 is equals to y0. That means we are finding solution for the ordinary differential equations. We are finding solution for the equation. That equation will be in this form: dy by dx is equals to y dash is equals to f of x comma y. And they will also mention initial condition y value at x0 is equals to y0. So then what we need to find is y value at x1, y value at x2 we need to find. We have to find the value of y at x1, that is y of x1. To find these value we use any one of these method. So mainly here Taylor series method we use differentiation, and here Picard's method we use integration. And after this, here we are having x0, y0. Here we need to find x1, y of x1 we will get y of x1 is equal to y1. That y1 value we need to find. So by using x and y we need to draw the table. X and y we need to draw the table. So in x column we should write x0, x1, x2, x3 like that. In y column we should write y0, y1, y2, y3. So for that we are having two types: table with restriction, table without restriction. So this is about table without restriction. There is no restriction. So for example, this is the question: dy by dx is equals to y dash is equal to x plus y, and initial condition y of 0 is equals to 1. We have to find y value at 2. That means y of 2 we need to find. So given dy by dx is equals to y dash is equals to x plus y, y of 0 is equals to 1, we have to compare this with general equation. Earlier I said, so the equation form, this method equations will be in this form: dy by dx is equals to y dash is equals to f of x comma y, and y of x0 is equal to y0. By comparing these two equations, we get f of x comma y. F of x comma y is x plus y. F of x comma y is x plus y. In place of f of x comma y, we are having x plus y. So that I wrote here, f of x plus x comma y is x plus y. Here in place of x0 we are having 0. x0 is initial value of x, so that is 0. x0 is 0. For y0 is 1. And we need to find y of 2. That means y value at x is equals to 2. This is the table. Very, very important. So at x column we are having x0 is equal to 0. Initial conditions, right? x0 is 0, y0 is 1, x0 is 1 is 0, y0 is 1, x1 is 2, x1 is 2, y of x1 we need to find x1, that is 2 value, 2, y of 2, x1 is 2, y0 is 1, y1 how much? We need to find that y1. So here to find the step size, why need to find step size means to find this y1 in this formula we will get this h value. So to find that h, so x1 minus x0 is the 2 minus 0. Here x1 minus x0, 2 minus 0 is 2. So we have to find y1 value by using any one of the method: RK method, Euler's method, Picard's method, like that any one of the method we need to use. So this is table without restriction. So this is table with restriction. So given same problem I have considered for table with restriction and without restriction. So y dash is equals to x plus y. So for table without restriction also I have considered same problem. Y dash is equals to x plus y. Y of 0 is equals to 1. Find y of 2. For this, step size they have mentioned 0.5. Step size here is 0.5. Table with restriction means we are having step size. Table without restriction means no step size. In earlier we did table without restriction. There we don't have any step size. Here we are having, that means we are having restriction. Whenever we are having restriction means there is a step size. So we have to compare the equation with y dash is equals to x plus y dash is equals to dy by dx is equals to f of x comma y of x0 is equal to y0. So f of x comma y is x plus y of x0 means x0 means initial condition of x is 0, y0 is equal to 1. So this is the same process for table with restriction and without restriction. Here we have to find y of 2, that is y value at x is equals to 2 with step 0.5. For table without restriction we don't have this. With restriction we had this step size h is equals to 0.5. So for this table will be like this. So in x column x0 is 0, x0 initial value is 0. For x1, earlier in table without restriction we kept here x1 is equals to directly whatever they asked in question we kept here, x1 is equals to 2. But here they asked with step size, that's why we kept x1 means previous x0 plus step size, that means previous x0 is 0, h means 0.5, 0 plus 0.5 is equal to 0.5. Here you need to find y1, and here y0 is 1, y0 initial condition 1, and y1 you need to find. For x2 means that previous one x1 plus h. For x3 previous one x2 plus h. For x4 x3 plus h, and we need to find y4, y0, y1, y2, y3, y4. So we need to find these y1, y2, y3, y4 values by using any one of the method. By using any one of the methods, we are having 5 methods, right? In any one of this method we can write. So this is just introduction. So in next video we will solve the problem.